Cruise ships are a dream vacation for many, but what happens when that relaxing trip turns into a wild ride? Get ready for some vacation stories that will give you chills and maybe a laugh or two. Welcome back to On the Record. Today we have some insane encounters between cruise ships and monstrous waves that will leave you speechless. Let's jump right in. First up, on Valentine's Day 2005, the Voyager cruise ship was hit by a 40-foot wave while sailing from Tunis to Barcelona. The wave shattered the bridge window and knocked out the ship's electrical system, leaving it adrift during a powerful storm. The Explorer of the Seas faced a freak storm with 150-knot crosswinds while returning to Sydney from New Zealand in 2016. Passengers experienced severe seasickness and gastrointestinal issues during the rough voyage. In another clip, we see footage from the bridge of a vessel in the North Sea during a January storm. The captain navigates through 40-foot waves and extreme weather conditions, showing the immense challenges of steering through such treacherous waters. Next, a bulk carrier in the North China Sea faces a Force 12 typhoon, likely Typhoon Surigay. Despite severe rolling and pitching, the ship sustains no damage and there are no injuries reported. Over in Germany, a ferry on the Elbe River struggles against rough waters, with powerful waves shattering its windows. Passengers face a terrifying situation as the storm continues to batter the vessel. Here's a clip from the same incident, but taken from the captain's point of view. Now let's look at a 12,000-ton merchant navy ship is tossed around by massive waves in the Bay of Biscay during a storm force 10 in 2009.
It's dangerous, bro.
Recover Port Steve-O.
The MS Epsilon ferry endured storm Imogen with winds up to 105 knots in 2016. Passengers faced extreme conditions with items flying around the dining area and extensive damage to the cargo hold. Lastly, the MV Viking Sky incident details how the ship experienced engine failure due to a loss of oil pressure. Passengers were tossed around and formed human chains for safety as the ship listed badly before being rescued. What did you think about these encounters? Be sure to drop your comments below and let us know what you think. This has been On The Record. And if you liked those clips, be sure to check out this video next.